Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate Google Contacts sync with HubSpot Sales CRM easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate Google Contacts sync with HubSpot Sales CRM, begin by opening HubSpot in your web browser. Log into your HubSpot account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Sales drop-down in the main menu. Select Contacts from the list of options. On the Contacts page, look for the Integrations tab, usually found on the left sidebar. Click on Integrations to access integration settings. In the Integrations section, locate the option for Google or Google Contacts. Select the Google Contacts integration to proceed. You will see an option to connect or authenticate your Google account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will pop up asking for your Google account credentials. Enter your Google account email and click Next. Provide your password and click Next again. You may be prompted to allow permissions for HubSpot to access your Google Contacts. Review the permissions carefully and click Allow to confirm. Once authentication is complete, return to HubSpot's integration settings. You should see a confirmation message indicating that Google Contacts has been successfully connected. To set up synchronization, navigate to the sync settings within the integration page. Customize your sync preferences according to your needs, such as whether to sync all contacts or a selected group. Finally, save your settings to complete the integration process. Your Google Contacts sync with HubSpot Sales CRM is now authenticated and ready to use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.